How important do you find rewarding an employee by patting on his back or any other form could boost his morale?
Yes, it's very important for anyone to be rewarded. We have seen even a little child in the house. If he does something very well, what do we do? Beta, this is chocolate for you. It's a reward. It may be a very small thing. Child doesn't need expensive gifts to be given, but we give him a chocolate and you will see. If you are his mama, he will jump on your shoulders. Mama gave me a chocolate because I did this for mama. Little work a child does. Encouragement is required by everyone. Another for employees. This is my thought. I have shared this with few people that there should be a prayer room in every corporate office. There should be a prayer room in every corporate office. We all need. Today we are living in a world which is running very fast. And though we are not Gnostic, we are not atheists, but we tend to forget God. So we should all pray every day in the morning. There should be a prayer room. In fact, it is in my office outside. Had you been here at 10 o'clock, you would have seen that we all prayed together. The house, the corporate sector, the family who prays together stays together. So prayer is very necessary. We should encourage our staff to pray. No matter what religion we are. I'm not saying religion, I'm saying spiritualism. That there is some force which is helping us. How come when we go to crisis, we go to that force? Why not then go to him before the crisis comes? And the crisis may not come if he's the boss, he's the master. Encourage employees at every stage and recognize their talent and their risk-taking ability, isn't it? We have to recognize their talent, their risk-taking ability, their enthusiasm to work. If there is a difference between two employees, we don't want to discourage the other one, but we have to encourage the one who is doing well, who is working hard, who is putting long hours, who is taking risks, who is loyal, very important. An employee who is loyal, sometimes it may not be company for a company to pay a lot of money. What I call SMEs, small and medium enterprises, they have got limitations. And still we find that employees who work in these kind of companies entire life. They work in a small company entire life. Same person would have gone in a big company, would have made 10 times more money. Still he is working there. Why? Because the family, the boss is loyal to them. And another example we have seen, so many good people have worked in smaller companies whole life. I have employees. I'm not a big company. I've got employees who are with me for more than 30 years now. So I feel loyalty should be rewarded. When they come for a loan, hear to them sympathetically. If you haven't got too much money, you can certainly give loan. They are going to pay you back. If they remain with you for 30 years, they are not going to run away with that money. Help them. If they are in hospital, you don't need money, go and visit them. If his child is going to getting married, go and bless them at the wedding. It's like this. A rich friend, we will, उसका बराबर डायरी में लिख के देगा, ये तारीख को उसकी वेडिंग है. तो हमारे एम्प्लॉय भी हमारे लिए इतना ही इम्पोर्टेंट है. Go and visit, how happy they will be. That time the whole family will say, oh, boss has come. And the whole family will greet you. In fact, you will get more respect there. So, these are not only money money is not the rewards, try to understand. It's the other love, affection, giving time to the employees, talking to them, sharing their difficulties. For example, I give you, today's more than 50% now, ladies are working in various offices. This was not there 20 years or 30 years back. Am I right? So today ladies are working. Now they are a difficult lot. We have to have sympathy with them. Why? They are difficult lot. They have to do more work than you are a man, I am a man. They have more to manage. Early morning they have to get up and prepare the chai, घर के लिए chai वगैरह, even food for our parents, right? Before they go to work. We want them to earn. पढ़ी हुई लड़की है, पढ़ी हुई बहू है, फिर से वो भी कमाएगी, घर में पैसे की तो जरूरत है. I am trying to save middle class and lower middle class women. So they work for the money. They work in the morning, get up. ट्रेन पकड़ने के पहले 8 बजे जाएगी बच्चों को स्कूल छोड़ने को. देन ही शी विल गेट द ट्रेन. 10 से 7 शाम को 6 तक ऑफिस में काम करेगी, राइट. उसके बाद वापस वो शाम को घर पे आने के पहले शी विल गो एंड बाय द वेजिटेबल्स एंड थिंग्स फॉर हर होम. एम आई राइट? एंड एंड ऑफ द डे she still has to cook her food, give the food to her father-in-law, mother-in-law, and बाद में महाराजा के साथ भी खाना पीना खाएगी. तो if such hard work people do, they should be rewarded. A smile should be given to them. Thank you should be said. Thank you and sorry are the great two words we should use with our employees as much as possible. If bosses make mistake, we should have no ego to tell sorry to our employees. You are right, I am wrong. It is other way around, unfortunately. Most of the time, what people say, I am right, you are wrong, and the problem starts. Say that I was sorry, I was wrong if you are wrong. So, employees के साथ बर्ताव भी बहुत अच्छा होना चाहिए. Very friendly, right? Thank you.